Okay, so to make your ePortfolio, you need to be into your Google account. You need to click on Sites. And then you need to click on Create. Now, the assignment says you need to call your Google site Names ePortfolio 2011-2012. So you want to create a blank template. Make sure this one is highlighted. Click on Create. Oh, and then you need to, right here, you need to put your name of the site. So I'm going to call it Ed's ePortfolio 2011-2012. Click on Create. Now, if there, then you have to also put in the security word, which is going to be different for everybody. Click on Create. Now, if you have picked a name that's already been taken,
Leave your caption in the Explorer. Click on the Tools icon in your tool.
now if you can't get past this stage, you need to look for this warning right here that says the location you've chosen is not available. So this name is not available. Now somebody wanted to put in a smiley face after. I'm just going to try that. Put in smiley face. And then put in my security, click Create Site. I'm not sure if it's going to be happy with the smiley face. No, it's not happy with that. So I'm just going to add something. I'm going to add a letter to it. I'm going to call it A. And Create Site. And it's happy with that. Okay? Now you'll notice up here, it gives you the actual web address, Ed's ePortfolio 2011-2012A. Okay? All right, going back. So I called it my name. On your home page, create a short welcome message and insert a picture of yourself. So once again, click on the pencil to edit. Type in your message. If you want to insert your picture, put your cursor where you want your picture, click on Insert, Image, and then find your picture. Once you've done that, click on Save. Alright, once you've created your page, your home page, you need to make separate pages for each of these subjects and sections. Okay? So to do that, you just click on the new page icon right here, and then type in the name, which is, this case, it's going to be math. Leave everything else alone down here, and click on Create. And you'll see now you've got home and math. Now you'll notice that the add a page is not visible here. That means I need to click on Save first, and then I can click on Add a new page. I'll just add one more. We'll call it Reading. Create that. And then, actually, I'm going to create one more because I want to show you what happens as you add pages. This one I'm going to call it About Me. And create. Now what you'll notice is that even though I created About Me last, it puts it at the top, and that's because it puts everything in alphabetical order. Okay? Alright, now that you've got a page made, it says on each subject page, create a title, call it Term 1. So I'm going to go to my math. I'm going to leave that page, go to Math, click on Edit, Term 1. Okay? Under Term 1, write a short paragraph describing something that you've learned, found interesting, frustrated. This should sound like a diary. Okay, so enter. This term I learned how to blah blah. It was very blah blah. And you keep on, it should be a short diary about what happened on that subject. Alright, now insert pictures of these artifacts. Oh, sorry, number 8. take digital pictures of paper artifacts. Okay, so we're going to be passing out digital cameras for you to take pictures of your artwork and so on. Number 9, insert pictures of these artifacts under the appropriate subject. These can be pictures of art projects, scans of tests, and so on. So let's say I've got a picture of a test here. I'm going to insert image. I got to browse and find where I have saved that picture. Let's say I've saved it under pictures. And let's just say this is a picture of a test that one of the tests I've taken. I'll just click on open. Click on it. Click OK. And now let's put that picture, let's say a picture of my test in here. If you don't have any artifacts, like pictures or links to your online assignments, you can insert a picture about a subject that you found on the internet. Then you can add your comments about it. Okay? All right, well, let's just say I want to put in a link to my blog. You can say check out, or let's say my book report. Check out my book report. So now I can highlight book report, click on link, and click on web address, and then put the address of the link I want to go to. So if I'm going to want a link to something I've done online, I just highlight the words. Oopsie, got to be in edit mode. I need to highlight the words, click on the link icon, click on web address, and paste the web address of my document. Click OK. Click Save. And then I should test it out by clicking on that link and make sure it goes to the book report or whatever it is that I want to go to. Okay. Next, so it says add links to online pictures. Okay, did that. Talked about this. Oh, set your eportfolio to private. So that's important because you don't want people accidentally finding you. So here we're going to click on share. And then right now it says public on the web. Anyone on the internet can view and find and view it. We don't want that. We want to click and select anyone with the link so that only people that actually have the link can find it. Click Save. And now we have anyone who has the link can view. Make sure that it says view. Make sure it doesn't say can edit or change. Make sure only this here is visible, view. Okay? All right, and then last thing is you're going to go and share this by going on to our blog site and give a quick link to our blog site to your ePortfolio so everybody in our class can actually view it. And that's how you create your ePortfolio. Okay, now this is not a requirement. You can keep the default white and blue settings that every web page will come with, but if you want to personalize this thing, you need to click on More, and then, where was it? Manage Site, down here. And then on the left side, scroll down and click Colors and Fonts. I think. No, it's not Colors and Fonts. It's... Let me go back. I think it's Themes. Pause. There it is. Okay. Sorry, it's not Colors and Fonts, it's Themes. So click on Themes. And here they'll give you a quick preview of the whole pile of different colors and looks and so on that you can select from. Now, what I would suggest that you do is, I'll pick this one, and then do not click Save, click Preview. It'll open up a new window, and it will show you what your page will look like in this color. It won't be functioning, like you won't be able to click on any of the links here, but I'll just give you an idea as to what the actual look of the page looks like. If that is what you like, and I don't like that, I'm going to go to Retro Paint. Do I like Retro Paint? Okay. Yeah, I can live with that. So once you find one you like, just click on Save, and it will apply those changes to all of your pages. So if I click back now to my website, you'll see that it has that look for all of them. Okay? All right, now pictures. If you wanted to find a picture of yourself, you're going to click Be on Edit. You're going to Insert, Image. And now you need to browse. If it's going to be a picture that I have here at school, click on Browse, and then go to Desktop, find our class, Sterl, go to Pictures, and let's say you want to just find your picture. Now, if it looks like this, click over here and look at large icons and find a picture and upload it. And then it should, depending on the size of the picture, it might take a little while before it actually gets there. Click on it, click OK, and here's the problem. It's a large picture. So you're going to want to, you can see how big the thing is. What you're going to want to do is click on it, and instead of original, you want to click on S for small, and make it a small picture, okay? And then you can always center it, or right size it, or right side, or whatever you want, okay? And then click on Save.